And so it appears that she's able to function without you, because how long have you been in custody?
Let's roll, nerds.
And are you Mr. Hernandez? And counsel, you ready to proceed on the motion?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same David Allen Hernandez who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 009659 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 to 4 grams, on November 21st, 2024, for a term of 10 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, David Allen Hernandez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, and July 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
Just one moment. I think it's Bob staff. For a motion to revoke. To that, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
I'm sorry?
True.
State will waive the remaining violations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No objections.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $2,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yeah.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is to deny state's motion, continue on probation, but alter and amend conditions for state assessed probability trust.
And what is occurring with the new number 1s that are in the document?
So the new number 1, the engaging is not active with our office, but the fact is being rush filed so that we can.
All right. So, Mr. Hernandez, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
David Allen Hernandez.
Why didn't you report?
Me and my girl fell on bad times. She got pregnant. I was really dealing with that situation. I was my probation. And we were kind of out. Lost our spot. We were standing in the vehicle. Our vehicle, 2 other kids. And that's really why I started focusing more on the babies than the report.
All right, and where has that?
She's got an apartment now.
No. I mean, the fact that you were focusing on the children, which I don't know if that's true or not. I'm just listening to what you're saying. So what did that accomplish by not reporting? And so it appears that she's able to function without you, because how long have you been in custody?
3.5 months.
3.5 months. So she's been able to get a place without you, a place for the children without you. And are these your biological children? All right. So I don't understand why you should be continued, because you've pled true to not reporting for the months of May, June, and July of 2025. And we are here almost in December. So there are a lot of months that you didn't report. So what have you done since you've been on probation?
But I stayed away from drugs. What I listened to on probation for, because I went to that lockdown recovery. That was.
Did you complete lifetime recovery successfully? Probation?
Yes, Judge.
What are you recommending?
In our initial conversation, I recommended what the ADA and defense counsel has come to. on the court summary, they wanted to, all turn him in for status.
So my problem to both parties, I don't know if he's been clean or sober or not, because he hasn't reported.
Yes, Judge, I understand. And if necessary, he could undergo a new TAP evaluation. And if substance abuse is what the court deems necessary, then we understand that. We just thought ISF cognitive would be more appropriate in this case, because we thought it stemmed from maybe not being in the greatest spot in his life, but not understanding how to make the decisions to prevent being in those spots and how to come out of those spots without any sort of harmful thinking to either himself or others.
But that's what lifetime recovery teaches you. When you're in the sober support meetings, that's what they teach you, to make better decisions. I don't think he's appropriate for probation. He's been gone. So, yes.
I believe that he would be a good candidate for probation. I think that it's not that he made a mistake. He made a decision, and it was a bad decision. And he's now here on this MTR. He understands the gravity of not reporting. It's not as simple as just not reporting and continuing on probation. He understands that he must be reporting as directed by the probation department. He's willing to undergo the ISF cognitive for 90 days inpatient to correct his thinking to continue to be a good candidate for probation. And he is really looking forward to correcting his own behaviors for his future children. As he said, his girlfriend is currently pregnant with twins. Those will be his biological children. And then also the two children that he takes care of that are not his biological children.
How old are you?
21.
So you should know you need to report.
Yes.
And so here's my question. Were you arrested or did you turn yourself in? Where?
Leaving a restaurant, taco restaurant, getting tacos.
Probation, do you think he would do well to be continued or no?
I'd say let's give him a chance. And he doesn't report, or if upon the first infraction, we file a motion to revoke.
All right. Here's the thing. I'm going to give you two choices. You only have two choices. There isn't a third. Don't ask for a third. I can revoke you. I'll sentence you to 3 years in the prison. You'll get credit for any successful inpatient treatment because legally I'm required to give that. Or I can continue you and you're going to ISF. Which do you prefer?
I'll take the ISF for try to see my kid born.
Oh, so here's the thing. I don't know what the wait time is for ISF, but you will be in custody and be transferred. All right. The court will deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions to include ISF cognitive. Is that the local one, Ms. Abrams, or no? Okay. Is there anything else he needs?
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Yeah. I need help with that. I really need help.
Help with what?
I'm thinking how they set up Kentucky.
And then, Judge, just for the record, when he was saying that, I was just talking to him. Whenever I was appointed, it was notified on the appointment letter that he was homeless. He would like to be recommended for any housing services as well to help him with housing going forward.
All right. Upon release, resources for housing and employment. And the court previously required parenting classes. You need to make sure you complete those. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You better make sure that you report. Do you understand? Because Being on probation doesn't mean I'm on probation, I won't commit any new offenses, so it's all fine. That only works usually for municipal court with tickets. You understand? All right, good luck to you. You're welcome.
And then, Judge, do you know if those parenting classes, can they be completed in ISF or?
You'll have to speak to
Okay.
probation because sometimes those classes are transitional there, which
Yeah.
ones they have.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Julius Martinez.
That's all, folks.